outside and I'm not gonna want to get out.
Right.
So stay in here.
Get a longer hose, dude, so you can stand out here.
Get like a 10-foot hose, just leave it hooked up the whole time. Hey, so look, me and Wes was out ripping these 800s all summer long, and it's hot out. We're like, we gotta figure out how we can get some fresh air in these things. So check this out. We started digging through some old parts and stuff that we had. Got us an idea. Got an old helmet blower we had in the trailer just for a spare. Pulled it out, extra hose. Wes wired up a harness here, get us up to the dash. Got an extra toggle switch we had laying around in the trailer. I bought this helmet a couple months ago off of a buddy, and I took it out and I hot lapped with it. It's a Zamp helmet, and I didn't care for it. I didn't like it at all, actually. We had to pick the coolest hat that we had. The Rico mullet hat. Took the fresh air duct off the top of it, glued it on the top of the hat. Check it out. Even cut the top of it out so the air can come in there. And we're gonna wire this helmet blower up, stick the old hat on, turn it on. Got personal AC, man. Can you see that one?
Yeah.
Man, it's gonna be like a 10-minute fix, dude, for fresh air. For fresh air in 10 minutes. Hit anything?
Nope.
1/4 inch work, huh?
Yep. Oh, it's right on one of these rings, so you might have to cut that thread out.
All right, pumps in, hoses in. Now all we gotta do is run that wire up to the front, huh?
Yeah, what are you thinking?
I don't know. Just go like.
Drop in there.
Yeah, tie this up around that bar. Drop right in there. All right, now we gotta pop a hole in here somewhere for our toggle switch. What do you think about that?
Looks good.
Like it?
Yep.
Oh my. I think my dad bought this one year just to put in the trailer because it was like he bought it from Car Tech. And he's probably gonna come over here with that electrical stuff and yell because I'm using it for this. Probably gonna be, that's a good switch. All right, man. Got all of our wiring tied up. She pumping. What we have, one negative, one positive, and then 2 wires going up to the toggle switch. That's it, right?
That's it.
That's it. We'll take it out. Crew, we gotta try it out, dude.
Oh, yeah.
We'll take it out and try it out, you know what I'm saying? Rico, man, if you're watching this video, man, I'm sorry we had to butcher up your hat, but it was the coolest hat we had. And we had to. We couldn't pick another hat other than the mullet hat, so, man, my bad. We had to cut it all up, but. Oh, yeah.
How is it?
Oh, hell yeah. Man, in the summertime, straight fresh air blowing right on top of your toe, man. stop somewhere while we're riding, I'm not gonna want to get out.
Right?
So stay in here.
Get a longer hose, dude, so you're staying out here.
Get like a 10-foot hose, just leave it hooked up the whole time. Man, we definitely conquered the heat, for sure. Just having some fun. Year's coming to an end. Hey, but if you're out, you know, the weather's starting to change, but you can stick this in your back pocket for next year. We'll definitely have this baby hooked up next summer. Seasons are starting to change, so it ain't quite as hot, but you can probably still use it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you want more harebrained ideas like this, subscribe to the Race Relentless YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out the Race Relentless website, www.racerelentlessproducts.com. And we have a new product just about to come out here real shortly, and you guys are going to be real excited about it. We're excited about it. Hey, turn the camera on inside the garage real quick. Real quick. Look at that. Hey, you'll see that one on the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Later.